Welcome to Learn with Izha. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most critical discussions shaping the future of artificial intelligence: ethics in AI development. With AI systems influencing everything from hiring decisions to healthcare diagnosis, ensuring that these systems are ethical, unbiased, and accountable is no longer optional, it's essential. With my 28 years of experience in global software development, I have witnessed the immense power of technology to transform lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. And today, I will share actionable insights and frameworks to navigate the ethical challenges in AI development. Let's begin. First of all, we need to think why ethics in AI matters. As AI systems integrate into our daily lives, they make decisions that have significant consequences. If we talk about hiring and recruitment, AI filters candidates for jobs. A biased algorithm could unfairly exclude qualified candidates. In healthcare diagnostics, AI aids in disease detection. Errors or bias could lead to misdiagnosis, impacting lives. In legal systems, AI predicts recidivism rates. Biases here could disproportionately affect certain communities. Ethics in AI is not just about fairness. It's about trust, accountability, and ensuring technology serves humanity without unintended harm. So there are certain challenges in AI ethics. First of all, bias in the data. AI learns from data, and if the data reflects societal biases, the AI will too. For example, a facial recognition system trained on datasets skewed towards lighter skin tones may struggle to recognize darker skin tones accurately. Also, lack of transparency is a big challenge. AI systems, especially deep learning models, often operates as black boxes, making decisions without clear explanations. This opacity creates challenges in accountability, particularly in high stakes areas like healthcare and finance. Also, accountability is quite challenging as well. Who is responsible when an AI system makes an incorrect or unethical decision? Shared responsibility between developers, companies, and end users is often unclear. So, what are the key principles of ethical AI development? First of all, fairness, which ensures AI systems treat all users and groups equitably. Then there are certain techniques to implement it. We can use fairness metrics like demographic parity and equalize odds. We can use tools like AI Fairness 360, AIF 360, which provides libraries to measure and mitigate bias. Another important area is the transparency. We need to make AI decisions interpretable and understand to stakeholders. So we can use interpretable models where possible, implement explainability tools like Shapley adaptive explanations is really handy. For accountability, we need to clearly define responsibilities for AI outcomes. We can establish robust documentation and traceability throughout the development. Also, we can use frameworks like AI incident database to track and learn from failures. For privacy, what we can do, we can protect user data and ensure compliance with privacy laws like GDPR. We can implement differential privacy methods to anonymize data. Use tools like TensorFlow Privacy to enforce privacy-preserving models. So how we can implement all that practically? First of all, We need to collect data and pre-process it. We can collect diverse data sets to avoid underrepresentation and regularly audit data sets for biases. Also, we need to do testing and validation. We can test AI models using fairness metrics, conduct over adversarial testing to identify vulnerabilities. For governance and oversight, we need to establish an AI ethics board within your organization. We can regularly review AI systems for compliance with ethical principles. Also, user involvement is key as well. We need to engage end users in the development process, regularly review AI systems, collect feedback to refine AI systems, and ensure alignment with user expectations. There are certain real-world examples as well, which we can look at. If we look at healthcare, imagine developing an AI system for early cancer detection. Ethical AI practices would involve bias management, ensuring diverse representation in training data sets to account for different ethnicities, ages, and genders. Also, transparency using explainability tools so doctors can understand why the AI flagged a specific case. And ultimately, privacy, anonymizing patient data while training the model. By addressing these considerations, the system becomes not only effective, but also trustworthy and equitable. There are certain industry standards and best practices which we need to follow. Organizations like IEEE and partnerships on AI have established guidelines for ethical AI. Some key recommendations include conducting regular impact assessments, designing systems that prioritize user control and consent, and publishing clear, accessible documentation on AI models. So, if we talk about the future of ethical AI, as AI becomes more powerful, ethical consideration will only grow in importance. Innovations like federated learning and edge computing offer exciting opportunities to build systems that prioritize privacy and fairness. Developers must embrace a mindset of responsibility and continuous improvement to ensure AI serves as a tool for good. So, ethics in AI development is not just about following rules. It's about creating systems that reflect our best values and intentions. By embedding fairness, transparency, accountability, and privacy into our AI systems, we can build a future where technology truly serves humanity. Thank you for watching Learn with Desire. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's shape the future of AI together, responsibly and ethically. Have a nice time.